CSS in one video. We are going to start by making a folder of CSS. So I know that my viewers know the little bit CSS, that are color, background color and border. So we are going to start after that. So I am going to tell you that CSS is the styling of anything. You can say it, so if you hadn't seen my previous video, so see that, because in that video I had told you about the full HTML. In previous video I had told you about JS, and these three languages I had told you in one video. Inshallah, the next playlist is coming about the Python. So inshallah that will be not so much longer, 2, 3 to 4 parts. There will be the full Python and one more that will be Kotlin and C plus R, C and C double plus R coming. So you have to subscribe, or you only have to subscribe the channel and like the button and hit the bell icon button to get up my new videos and new content, because I take the new video and new content regularly. Let's start our video by creating a new folder. The new folder is going to have the name by, you can say, any name it. The name is going to be CSS or any other tool. So if you want the foundation of the laptop or of the roadmap or anything, you can comment me below. And if you hadn't understand anything, you can comment me below, and I will understand you, and I will make a video for you. So I am going to make CSS. So you can see we are so much near about 500 subscribers, and thank you for the 400 subscribers prize. But you had wait so much. I was waiting for my 400 subscribers. So but thank you so much. We have touched it to 420 subscribers. Inshallah we are going to hit the 1K hurriedly. So we are going to make here index.html. There are two parts we can do. I had downloaded a theme in previous video. You can see the previous video. So we are going to put the doc type here, and we are going to use the method number 2 of, you can say, I am going to use the method number 2 of the stylement. The method number 1 is to link the file and do the work, but I am going to use the style one. So I know that you know the color, background and border. So we are going to start by background more properties, and the background more properties, and the another one the border more properties. And one more, the chapter, the outline. So as you can see, if I have an input with the text and name, ID, more things, but if I write here border, if I want to finish it, so you will say you are going to add the border. No. If I write here input like this, and I am going to give it what? That input border. If I want to finish the border, I am going to go live, so you can see the web view here. So you can comment me below for any other theme, because when you comment me below, I become motivated to make videos, and you can say that starting and that starting. There is it. The border. Save it. There is border. If I do it 0, so there will be the border finished. So if I write here border bottom, so there will be an bottom too. Like there will be 1 pixel solid black. The color that is going to be black. That will be border bottom. Save it. So there is a border bottom down there. So if we have to finish the outline of it, you can see when I click it, so there is outline. So I am going to write here outline. That will be 0. Save it. Now there will be no outline. Like this. This was the only outline and many more. So now I am going to tell you how can you add the background, how can you know the more background property. The first background property will be only you have to write a background color. So background color have the colors, but we don't need this one. There are many colors, but it's not look like so much good. So that I had taken a thing that only you have to write a background. I am going to download a theme that's not looking so much good. I am going to write a CSS theme. Like it look good because all texts are coming, so you will be confused to do the word theme. I mean CSS theme. You can see here CSS theme. There are many themes. They forget to write the M. I'm going to install it. Simply, we are going to install it. I think that's a good theme for doing CSS. So we are going to wait for opening it and we are going to start our work. As you can see, it said download it. And wait, where is it? I'm going to click it. Wait. Disable. Reload required. That's reloading. Wait a second. That's reloaded. So now what we have to do? They are not changed. Nothing changed. Wait. The background is here. We are going to write the CSS theme. Enter. There will be the theme. And there is it. We are going to take inline CSS color. There is a style tag. You can style image even. We are going to scroll down here. There are the images. Not so much good, but we can do work in it. It's styling. If I think if I have the parts of like black or any other, that's on. If I wait, that's not. If I come here and write the background, CSS theme is not coming. I am not write a CSS. They will be big HTML and CSS. Super. I'm going to take the theme CSS. So because I can see that you are not seeing, you will be confused to see the syntax of it. We are going to scroll down. Wait, where is it? Come in sport, CSS properties. Come here, inline CSS done. WordPress, and we can use this one, Word CSS or Jazz CSS syntax CSS loader for VS. I'm going to write here the theme only. Only we are going to take any one I find. I'm going to take this panda theme, not panda theme. The bear theme. I'm going to start it. You can say it started to installing, and we are going to wait. And it started installing. We are going to wait. There are themes. There is a coffee. I'm going to take this one. Okay, come here. How it looks like in the index.html. Not set color. It's look how it look like this one. The dark color. Theme void. Not. There is a black one. What is the theme name? Bear theme. Black. There is a black, you can say black gems, or I'm going to take, wait, black diamond will be fine. Okay, it's looking good. Better than the first one. I have to change the background color. Where was okay in the background? So I have to change the background color. It's not look good. So for it we are going to use the prompt A, that is linear gradient. If I write a gray, wait a second. If I write here the property gray, comma, you can use like light gray, save it. So the property, wait, the linear gradient are not working, wait. There we have to go live again. You can see we had reloaded the page, so that's gone. So we are going to go live and there have the two shading color that are gray and gray. So if gray and light gray. So if we have to give it where at the two right, it's coming to top. If I do it what to right, save it so it will become from right. If I do it to left, so that will become to left. To top left, so that will come from to top left from here. So how the linear gradient works. But it's not looking so much like we can add many colors like light gray, they will be green and blue. Save it. So it's look like this now. So but there is one more property that is not linear gradient, that is radial gradient. If I write a radial gradient, wait, we have to write a word. I will write a BG background radial gradient. I want to basically copy this radial gradient. I'm going to finish it and there will be not this text, only the colors will be there and paste it. Save it. Now it's look like a circle. So there is the property that's called padding. If I do it padding of 70 pixels, so that look more good, fully like a circle. So we can add many more color, like if I want to write a pink color, so there will be the pink color. If I want to write a lone green, so there will be a lone green color. If I want to write a word, the aqua, wait, aqua, save it, so there will be the aqua color looking like this. So there is the input. If you don't know, you can see there is the input. So if we want there, when we put like when I put my cursor here, so that will be linear gradient. So how can we do? We are going to use the special property that is hover. So I am going to duplicate this and put it here. But there will be a background with the linear gradient. So simply copy this linear gradient and you have to put it at the place of radial gradient. Like this, save it. Now when I hover it, so that will be fully changed. That is the hover property. We can do the color to color, we can change the color property too. So now we are going to add the margin in it. If I write the margin of 50 pixels, basically padding is the inner space and margin is the outside space, like this. That's changing, you can see. If I do it like this, so you can see now. That's fully changed. So if I put what a transition, that is the favorite thing here, 1.9 seconds, so that will become slowly. You can say animated. And then margin right. Margin right, after first there will be margin left, will be like this, and there will be margin right like this too. So the margin is coming. So we can put the transition like ms2, like with the minute, like the milliseconds, or that like millisecond could be more bigger, like 9 seconds to 9 seconds. So that will be not, if I do it the seconds, so that will be going to about 9 seconds. But I duplicate it and put it in the input like this, so that will be go slowly, like if I do, that's going slowly. If I leave it, so that will be done hurriedly, you can see. So these are the properties. So there is one more property that is important to the text alignment of center. So now the alignment is as an center. Now it's coming like a center. So how it works? There is one more property that is height of like 40 pixels, and height I am going to use 40 VH and VW. Like this one I am going to write, so that are moving, you can see. And when we leave to writing, so that's going. And my cursor is there, so that's when I leave, we can write here on. Wait, I will see it. There are many parts, but there is an hover active too. So like this is not enough too. There is many more, like 50 VH if I do 90 VH and do 90 VH too. So it will be like this. So, but if I do it, if I want to do it smaller, so that will be smaller. You can see it's can't do it smaller. So if I do it like bigger, so that will be bigger. So now we are going to do the next one. The next will be what the text decoration. If I write here text decoration, that is underline. So if I write here anything, wait, I'm going to write here word, so that is underline, you can say. And if I write here underline to line thought, the line thought color I want dark red. So now the underline color will, the line thought color is going to dark red. You can say. Now we can use one more thing, that is text shadow. What will be the text shadow? Text shadow is going to be little bit more. I am going to put the text shadow of 10 pixels. I am going to show you 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Save it. So it look like this. You can see there is shadow down there. So now I am going to show you one more, that is but the box shadow. The box shadow called this box shadow. So box shadow will be 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Save it. So the input have the box shadow. You can see the background shadow. So that's called the box shadow. So there is one more thing, that is position. Like position, if the position is fixed, so that is going to be fixed. Like if I do anywhere, I am going to put here but a body. There will be a body. I am going to tell you that body had the margin padding. So I am going to do like 400% for an example. As you can see. Wait, where is the scroll bar? I am going to put, wait. I have to do one more thing, that is what I am going to show you. If I come here, I am going to put the margin. Margin will be, but there will be not height and width, like this. Save it. Now if the body have the 400, I am going to write here, there will be and div.a, like this. Save it. So now I am going to write a dot a height. There will be dot a height. Save it. Now, like, but why it's not. I'm going to put 900 width like this. If you are not seeing, I am going to have a paragraph with the load rain 900 save it. So there is a load like it's going down down down. It's an fixed one. So that's how can we see. So there are many properties here. That's the properties. We are more properties, that is font size. If I do font size 90 pixels, like when I type it anywhere, so that is so much bigger, you can see like this. And there is one more thing, font width. Font width is equal to bold or any other. Their font family to like cursive. So when I put like text here, that will be cursive, you can see. That's cursive one. And if I write one more thing, that is font family to what? Font width. That will be bolder. So that is looking like this, a bold text. You can see here, if I write a font transform, font, wait, oops, text transform. If I do transform to uppercase, so if I write, as you can see, my caps lock is not open. If I write any word, like I write any word, so that will be capital. So that's how we use the CSS with HTML. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button. In this video, I have telling you the full CSS in one video. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to press the subscribe button, because I take new video and new content in regularly. So take care and Allah Hafiz.